The relocate machine element here certainly relates to bigger civil construction. There are float plans and traffic management plan discussions and things that we don't necessarily deal with Diggermate because our machines are so small and all trailerable, but a lot of your customers are going to be using this stuff and do know about this stuff. So it's really great when we can take the higher end knowledge and relate it back to our smaller equipment. It ensures safety for everybody and really gives our customers confidence that we know what we're meant to be doing. So this element is still crucial, even though a lot of it will relate to a lot bigger machines than you may ever come in contact with.
Okay, to drive a machine on any road, you will need to go to the main roads department, but as in Queensland, you go to the transport department to find out what the requirements are. Every machine needs to be registered to drive on a road. When driving a machine on a road, your bucket needs to be at a safe travelling height. Not too low because the road conditions can change with holes, and the last thing you need is for your bucket to be striking the ground.
The important thing to note here is all machinery should have at least 4 tie-down points from the machine to the trailer. So in this case, we've got 1 at the back, we've got 2 either side of the dozer blade, and then we've got 1 more strap over the front. It's actually got a tie-down point here and on the other side there. So that's basically 5, but this one here, given it's 1 strap, is considered as 1. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 at the back is 4.
When loading a machine onto any sort of transport vehicle, an operator is not allowed to put up any traffic diversion or any barricades or signs unless he's a qualified traffic controller. The purpose of a traffic control plan is to ensure that you have a good safe flow of traffic around the area where the machine is being loaded. Quite simply, the 3 things that need to be explained to the transport driver is the length of the machine, the width and the weight.